I'm Deanna Kleina with Stonehouse Realty, and I am thrilled to show you this 3-bedroom home at 601 Ibbotson Street. This home features a well-designed layout that maximizes space and functionality. The main floor features a spacious living room with incredible views of the mountains, just perfect to enjoy the sunsets. 2 bright bedrooms, an updated bathroom, and updated flooring throughout. The kitchen also has lots of updates such as sink, countertops, backsplash, and appliances. For convenience, it also has main floor laundry with a newer washer dryer. The basement has an additional bedroom with a half bathroom and a large unfinished rec room, perfect for storage and your finishing touches. In addition, the home's exterior has been recently painted, the tool shed has been extended, and it has a newer roof. The property has covered parking, is fully fenced for pets and children, garden beds, and beautiful flowers throughout. Plus, offering this amazing location, being right in town, you are close to all the amenities. I hope you love this property as much as I do. And for more information, feel free to call me at 604-789-8202.